Getting some breaking updates, trainee aircraft has crashed near KP College in Prayagraj. Reports are indicating that this aircraft, which was airborne, suddenly lost balance, leading to this accident. A loud noise has been heard and has caused panic amongst the people in this area. Police and administrative officials, along with the fire brigade and rescue team, have been dispatched to the scene. Information has been received that 3 people who jumped out with parachutes have been rescued from this marshland where they crashed. We're getting some responses from on ground. Let's listen in.
प्लेन आई इधर से धीरे 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 पैराशूट खुला हुआ था, ऐसे हमारे घर की तरफ आई है। हम लोग सोचे यहीं उतरेंगे, फिर धीरे धीरे उस तरफ गई। वहाँ पर इतनी भयंकर आवाज़ हुई, इतनी तेज आवाज़ हुई कि सब कोई सोचे कि एक्सीडेंट हो गया। तो हम लोग देखे, हमको भक्का से बोली, तो हम लोग सब निकल बाहर देखे, तो उसमें से कोई गिर, हम लोग सोचे फट जाएगी, लेकिन कोई फटी नहीं, कुछ नहीं हुआ। गिर गए वहाँ, पैराशूट ऐसे ऐसे हवा में लहरा रहा था। फिर थोड़ी देर बाद उसका जो उसमें पायलट बैठे थे और एक आदमी, उसमें से हाथ ऐसे ऐसे थोड़ा थोड़ा इतना इतना हाथ दिख रहा था। तो फिर हम लोग चिल्लाए, फिर 112 नंबर पे फ़ोन करे पुलिस वालों को कि आग बचाए। जब पुलिस नहीं आई तो फिर हम लोग इधर से 2-3 लड़के अपने मोहल्ले से गए, फिर उधर के मोहल्ले से सब घुस के निकाल के लेके गए।
My colleague Akash Sharma is joining us. Akash, what more do we know? First of all, how many people on board and are they all safe?
Right. So there were 2 pilots, Shivani, and we have been given to understand that both the pilots are safe because they ejected on time. And also, Shivani, this is micro-light aircraft of the Indian Air Force that is generally used for patrolling and reconnaissance missions because it can fly on a low altitude. And we have been given to understand that in Prayagraj, possibly some technical fault was there or something that was identified beforehand by the pilots, and possibly after that they tried to, in fact, they tried for balanced landing, but it could not happen and the aircraft crashed. Fortunately, we have both the pilots safe, and at this point in time, Indian Air Force team has reached out the spot. They are ascertaining as to what was the reason. But right now, what we know for a fact is that this micro-light aircraft of the Indian Air Force has crashed, and the 2 pilots that were there on board are safe. Shivani.
Could you give us a little bit more details, Akash, of what you have? What were these exercises all about, and what follows from here? Will there be an investigation, etc., about the faults that may have been discovered?
Oh yes, Shivani, whenever it is about crash, so we generally see a court of inquiry that basically ascertain as to what was the reason and what circumstances the crash has happened. In this particular scenario, as I mentioned earlier, team has reached, so now they'll try to talk to the pilots as to what happened and what they faced. Possibly the parachute recovery system was activated and it is very much visible in the visuals too. So, it is anticipated that, some sort of technical failure was there, but again, it would be premature to conclude. And, the court of inquiry will only ascertain as to what was the reason. As far as this particular flight was concerned, Shivani, so as I mentioned earlier, micro-light aircraft is generally used for patrolling missions because it can be, it can fly on low altitude. In Prayagraj, we generally see, in fact, in the coastal areas, normally we use this particular aircraft. Now, in Prayagraj, what was the purpose of the particular flight? If it was used for patrolling part or any sort of surveillance, is what only Air Force would be able to tell. In fact, in some time from now, we are expecting, some sort of formal statement from the Indian Air Force, and then only we'll get to know the basic facts behind the particular accident. But yes, this has happened, and the fortunate part is that both the pilots, had ejected on time and they are safe, Shivani.
All right.